Number three, step-by-step prompts. When you have big prompts or complex prompt, that time do not write everything in a single prompt because you will not get the proper results. This complex prompt you have to write one by one. Let's say you're trying to learn a complicated skill like baking a really fancy cake. In the beginning, you wouldn't just try to do everything at once, right? You'd probably start with the basics like learning how to make the cake batter and then move on to frosting and decorating. It's the same with ChatGPT. If you have a complex question, it's often better to break it down into smaller, easier to handle pieces. For example, you want to know about prompt engineering. So instead of asking ChatGPT everything about prompt engineering at once, you could start with a simple question like, what is prompt engineering? After writing this prompt, once you get this answer, then you can ask a follow-up question like, okay, now give me 3 tips to write better prompts. If you write big or complex prompts in this way, then you'll get much clearer and more focused answers. It's like building your knowledge brick by brick. Plus, it helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you're looking for so it can give you the most helpful information.